Today we are going to study about bar bending schedule. What is bar bending schedule? It is used to communicate the design requirement of reinforcement of steel to the fabricator and execution team to calculate the weight of each size of steel. It is an all-inclusive list that describes the location, mark, type, size, length, number and bending details of each bar in a reinforcement drawing of a structure. The process of listings is called as scheduling. So, what does a bar bending schedule consist of? It consists of the following materials: member identification, that is the beam, slab and column; the bar mark, that is top, bottom and binder; the shape of bending; the diameter of the bar; the length of each bar; the total number of bars; the total length and the weight. So here is a given figures of the member identification. We can see how the bars already bent are put in the structure according to the proper manner. Reinforcement bar details. The standard and maximum length that is available is 12 meter. It can be customized from 5.5 meters of length depending on the usage. Diameter and unit weight of steel. The minimum diameter of reinforcement that is available is 6 mm and the maximum diameter available is 40 mm. There is a universal formula to calculate the unit weight of steel, that is d square by 162, where d is the diameter of the steel. So in the given bar we can see the unit weight and sectional area of the different types of bars. Shape of bending. The shape bar that generally comes as a straight bar and comes in a length of 12 meter needed to be cut and bent in as per the requirement of structural drawings. So in the figures we can see how the shape becomes when the bars are being bent. Bar mark and the number of bars. For each structural members, each bars has a mark or a designation, that is top, bottom, extra and stirrups. For members like beams, columns, walls, bars can be calculated manually from the structural drawings. For members like slab, it can be calculated as the number of bars is equal to width of concrete minus 2 into clear cover divided by spacing between the bars. The length of each bar. It can be calculated from the given structural drawings by adding the development length, anchorage length, deduction of bends for bend deduction according to IS 2502 to be followed. Therefore, the total weight of bars is equal to total number of bars into length into unit weight. Advantages of bar bending schedule. When bar bending schedule is available, it makes cutting and bending of reinforcement very convenient and easy to use. This results in faster execution at site and reduces construction time and cost due to less requirement of workers for bar bending. With the bar bending schedules, up to 97% of steels can be used on site. It improves the quality at site as reinforcement is provided as per bar bending schedule, which is prepared using the provisions of respective detailing standard codes. It provides the better estimation of reinforcement steel requirement for each and every structural member, which can be used to compute overall reinforcement requirement for entire project. Bar bending schedule is very much useful during auditing of reinforcement and provides checks on theft and pilferage. Bar bending schedule provides the steel quantity requirement much accurately, and thus it provides much accurate data to the structural designer, which makes a structural building durable. The quantity of reinforcement to be used is calculated using engineering formulas and standard codes. So there is no option for approximate estimation or pro data of steel reinforcement. It becomes easy for the site engineers to verify and approve the bar bending and cutting length during inspection before placement of concrete with the use of bar bending schedule, and helps in better quality control. It enables easy and fast preparation of bills of construction works for clients and contractors. With bar bending schedule, we can optimize the cut lengths of bars, which helps us to generate less scraps and reuse of cut lengths of bars.